Alright, so we got a bad igniter, mobile home furnace. It's a Coleman, evcon presidential. Valves clicking, you can't see any glow inside. So we're gonna do a little igniter change. Alright, we're going to change out hot surface igniter for a manufactured home furnace. Take off the gas valve in the bracket first. Two screws, top and bottom. A lot of times there's spider webs inside of the orifice there. Find a lot of them, but this one looks pretty clean. Alright, just let the gas valve hang down there. I'm gonna take the other bracket off. Disconnect the leads here. This is the sensors, the yellow, the two white ones are the igniter. Alright, so there's a zip tie that connects all of these. Just snip it. Careful not to touch your wires, your flame sensor for sure. And then the burner should come out. I'm gonna turn it a little bit. And there it is. Yeah, you can definitely tell that igniter is bad. You can see it right there, that little spot where it cut out. We're gonna take this apart. Press these little guys. Save them for later. These igniters are very brittle, so your new one, be very careful. But the old one, you don't gotta be pretty with the old one. Take these little guys off, you gotta save them. Slide out your igniter. Discard. Clean this burner off. Looks pretty clean. Clean the sensor. Sensor's right here. Clean that little guy. Usually just get my shirt and just wipe it off. There we go. Alright, now we're ready for the igniter. Swiss one. So, extra long leads are needed for the. And how much you know that? Look at that, broken out of the box. Let's go run and get another one. never had 2 igniters that were busted, but you know, first time for everything. But that one looks good. You can see that one's nice and shiny, no breaks. Be very careful installing it. I'll usually get it in there first. Our little washer, our little nut. Put this little plate back over it. Should be on there pretty tight. You don't want to over tighten it and break the ceramic, but that's how it should look. Let's grab these here. Put it in there. Put it in there. Put these guys back on. There. Pop it back through. Go, just like that. If you have any slack, pull it through. Don't leave too much slack, especially with the flame sensor wire, but you don't want it touching the burner, so just leave it like that, because if it's touching the burner, it's going to melt, so keep it away. If you get confused of which way goes up, it does have a top here, so you can put the top on the top, of course. Alright, there we go. I'll normally get my terminal screwdriver, stick it in the orifice, check for spider webs. Doesn't look like we have any. Put that orifice back in like that. Connect your wires again to your connections up here. White, yellow, yellow. Coleman. I normally loop it, just so I know which one's which. That goes to C2, gas valve. The other one goes to main M1. And there you go. So we should get a glow for this. Turn on. Should hear the inducer come on. And the board will click as it closes the relay to send the 120 to the igniter. This is a pretty easy job. We should get some glowing in this sight glass here pretty soon. We didn't get a glow last time, so we should be getting a glow now. There's a click from the board. We should be getting some glowing going on in there. There it is. We should get ignition here. If your flame's very, very small and it doesn't protrude too much outside of that circle there, whew. There it is. All right. Wasn't too bad. Just test for some carbon monoxide and temperature. Should be all right. Flame looks pretty good. Be right back. Okay, let's get the CO meter, infrared thermometer, just to make sure this guy's safe. I'm going to test one of your vents. You got a vent open?
Sure.
You got one right here. I'll test this one over here.
My dad used to take me and my brother to the A's games all the time when we were kids.
Nice. Yeah, they're fun.
We never went to the Giants, we always went to the A's because you could take your shirt off and it was nice during the summer. Candlestick Park was way too cold.
Oh yeah, out there, yeah, definitely. Looking fine. All right, that igniter. On to the next one. Heating season is upon us.